Soldering. Before you begin to solder, check that the component is still sitting flat on the printed circuit board, also known as the PCB. Be sure that your soldering iron is heated at optimum temperature between 380 and 390 degrees Celsius, and always clean the tip of the soldering iron. Position the flat edge of the tip of the soldering iron against the metal pad on the board and component leg. Hold a piece of solder in your hand and position it so it meets the tip of the soldering iron and the component leg. Be careful not to use too much solder, as this could create a short circuit. It also looks neater when you use just the right amount. Once you have soldered all the joints, inspect each one to be sure they all have a good connection between the PCB pad and component leg. Then use wire cutters to clip off the legs about 2 mm above the base of the solder, one by one.